I will discuss your lesson number 2, that is Adventures of Toto, right? And this lesson has been taken from your second book, that is Moments, right? And this story, The Adventure of Toto, is written by Ruskin Bond, and you can see the photograph of Ruskin Bond, alright? He's Ruskin Bond, and this story is about keeping pets. However, when we do the story in detail, one question that comes before you, and that is the question, what kind of pets can be kept, right? And this is a story of a monkey who is kept by as a pet by grandfather, and the main characters of the story are the grandfather, uh, grandson, and he is the narrator also, right? And then we have certain animals also, right? That we I will tell you with the with when we explain the story, all right? Okay. As I have already told you, this story is about pets, that is keeping pets, alright? What I will cover in this video, number 1, I will tell you the story in detail, right? Number 2, explanations will be given side by side. Number 3, what the writer wants to convey this story will also be told to you by side. Then the theme of the story will also be discussed, right? So let's begin the story. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. So the first thing, the story starts with, and the writer wants to ask you a question. When you read the story, let me tell in the end whether he was mischievous or docile. Docile का मतलब क्या होता है? या तो शरारती है या बहुत ही शरीफ है. And you all know that you can see some of the pictures behind me of the monkeys, right? And we all know the characteristics and the attributes of monkey, features of monkey, right? So I will tell you characters, as I have already told you, two characters: grandfather, narrator, grandson. Then we have a Nana, female donkey. Then we have, around whom the entire story revolves, Toto. Then we have a tortoise, Tonga driver, rabbit, squirrel, alright, and a pet goat. The story begins when grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver. He paid 5 rupees to a Tonga driver. Right, so you can see the picture here, right? Toto, the monkey, has been bought by grandfather. Actually, the Tonga driver had tied the monkey to a feeding trough. When grandfather looked at it, he had mercy for him and decided to add him means Toto, into his private zoo. My grandfather owned a private zoo, right? So my grandfather had a private zoo. He had pity on Toto, right? And out of mercy, he bought Toto from the Tonga driver, and he paid 5 rupees, right, for buying monkey, or monkey means Toto, from the Tonga driver. Here I would like to add something about the characteristics of monkey, right? The first, they are most mischievous animals. As you can see, so many pictures I have posted, right? They cannot stick to one place. You can see from the pictures. They jump from one place to another. That is their basic characteristic attribute. They are not intelligent. When I said they are not intelligent, that means that it is very difficult to train them, because they won't listen to. And last but not least, the very important characteristic of a monkey, they copy others, right? They copy others. You have heard so many stories about the monkeys when they are copying the human beings, because they only copy without understanding what is going to be the outcome of the thing, right? So first, the story begins with the physical description of Toto. Toto was pretty monkey. Obviously, the grandfather had pity on Toto, and he found, because beauty lies in your eyes. This is a very important thing I would like to tell you. Beauty lies in your eyes. सुंदरता हमेशा ही देखने वाले की नजरों में होती है. If you are a positive thinker, you will find positivity and beauty everywhere. अगर तो आप पॉजिटिव थिंकर हो तो आप किसी ना किसी चीज़ में से कोई ना कोई पॉजिटिव चीज़ ढूंढ लोगे और आपको वो चीज़ ब्यूटीफुल लगेगी. बट इफ़ यू आर अ नेगेटिव थिंकर, द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स दे सीम वर्स टू यू, दे सीम अगली टू यू. अगर आप नेगेटिव थिंकर हैं तो आप सुंदर से सुंदर चीज़ में भी कोई ना कोई मिस्टेक निकाल देंगे. सो ब्यूटी लाइज हियर, इट लाइज इन योर माइंड. सो Toto, as grandfather had a mercy on Toto, so that is why the first paragraph is about the physical description of Toto and where he was depicted or described as a pretty monkey. Toto was pretty monkey. He had bright eyes with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. You must have seen monkeys. Their eyes are inside and our eyebrows are outward, right? His teeth were like pearls, right? White teeth, but his hands looked as dried up as ladies dried up mangoes or something for pickle, right? So fingers were very thin, yet his fingers were quick and wicked. Wicked means mischievous animal, right? So my grandfather always appreciated him and his beauty, saying his tail was adding to his beauty and his tail has worked as a third hand, right? The god has given or blessed the monkeys with a tail, and this tail worked as a third hand because with the help of the tail only they can jump from one tree to another tree, right? And they are rescuing them also. When grandfather brought Toto, he did not want to disclose it to grandmother, so it was decided to keep Toto's presence as a secret, and it was revealed to her when she was in good mood, right? Grandfather owned a private zoo, right? Ladies, they are not very fond of it is in this story. Grandmother was not very fond of animals, right? However, she accepted all the animals, but it was really going to be hard to accept a monkey as a pet because you all know the attributes of a monkey, mischievous animal, right? So the grandfather was waiting when grandmother would be in good mood. This truth will be revealed मतलब उनको बता दिया जाएगा कि now I have a monkey added into my private zoo. So next question comes, where to keep the monkey? It was decided, ये सोचा गया, Toto would be kept in my room. My room means grandson's room, right? And who is the grandson? The narrator of the story, right? He was kept in a little closet. तो उसको एक closet में रखा गया and was tied securely. So we thought to a peg fastened into a wall. तो हमने सोचा कि इसको हम बांध के रखेंगे, right? और एक पेग को, एक कील को, बड़े से कील को दीवार में कर दिया गया and monkey was tied to it. After a few hours, when we came to release him, frightened to see the mess created by him, he, made my room a messed room. Everything was haphazard by this monkey. सब कुछ बिगाड़ दिया गया monkey के द्वारा. We, as I have already told you, we frightened to see the mess created by him. He tore the decorated wallpaper on the wall and bricks could be seen, right? तो जो मेरे वॉल पर बहुत ही सुंदर, जो कि मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ही मेरे लिए लेकर आए थे, वॉलपेपर, that was torn so brutally and the plaster was also pierced off from the wall that you can see the bricks, right? Number 2, peg has been wrenched from the socket. जहाँ पर हमने socket means जो peg को, वो कील को लगाया था, that was also taken out from the wall. My school blazer had been torn, right? And he has made it a rag. Rag means चीथड़े कर दिए उसके. I thought grandfather would get angry. However, he was pleased to see Toto's performance. I was wrong. I was thinking now Toto will be kicked out of this private zoo. But the adverse happened. उसके उल्ट हुआ. grandfather became so happy at the performance of Toto, and he added by saying that, wow, he is very active monkey. Huh, I was shocked. He thought he was healthy and intelligent. Grandfather admired his cleverness when he said Blazer had been torn to make a rope to run out of the window. When I had shown my torn blazer to my grandfather appreciated him and appreciated his intelligence by saying that, oh, my dear child or my dear grandson, this blazer has been torn into stripes because he wants to make a rope so that he uh, could run away from this room. And can you imagine the intelligence of a monkey, right? um, his reasoning his reasoning power is so sound that he has created a situation how to make a rope, and for making a rope he has used your blazer, right? Then grandfather decided to shift him into servant's quarter. Then the decision has been taken that he should be shifted into a servant's quarter where other animals lived peacefully. So in the beginning, if you have remembered, I have named all the animals of his private zoo. Number one, tortoise, rabbit, goat, squirrel, but he troubled all the animals and did not let them sleep. So you should have to think of every time the characteristics of monkey, and you can see the picture how behind me or right or on this side or on that side, right, how he's hanging or how he is jumping, right, and how he is troubling others with his mischiefs, right? So unwillingly, grandfather had to take him to Dehradun because he had to collect his pension in Saharanpur. As grandfather observed that he was disturbing other animals also, and one more thing, if you do remember, right, it has been kept a secret from grandmother, right? So that's why grandfather on that day took a decision he should be kept he should be kept with me because grandfather had to go to collect his pension, right? What happened there, right? I could not go with my grandfather. Grandfather took a black canvas bag to keep Toto in, right? So एक black color का bag लिया गया, right? वहाँ पर Toto को बीच में रखने के लिए. He put straw at the bottom so that he must have a comfortable space or a comfortable place to sit. Bag was zipped, right? He could not move into the bag, but he was left with one option to roll or jump, right? The bag was zipped by my grandfather, but as you all know that a monkey cannot stick to one place, so he was left with only one option to roll the bag and to jump inside the bag. So if someone is jumping inside the bag, the others can observe the movement that something is happening in the bag. But when the grandfather was producing the ticket at the railway station, because you have to show the ticket to the railway collector or the person who is ticket collector, you can say that, right, to whom you have to show the tickets before boarding the train, right? The moment grandfather unzipped the bag, immediately Toto poked up with his head. तो वो बाहर निकल आया एंड ही ग्रिल्ड एट द टिकट कलेक्टर. और ग्रिल का मतलब होता है उस पर गुर्राया जैसे बंदर करते हैं, राइट? एंड ही फ्राइटेंड थिंकिंग इट वॉज अ डॉग. सो टिकट कलेक्टर को लगा कि शायद मेरे ग्रैंडफादर एक डॉग को ले जा रहे हैं एंड आस्क्ड ग्रैंडफादर टू बाय अ टिकट. Grandfather explained him it was a monkey, but he did not agree. He paid ₹3 for his ticket. Grandfather also showed him a tortoise, but the ticket collector did not charge for it. So grandfather ने उनको बताया कि I have a tortoise also. Would you like to? Because my grandfather became very angry because he was wrongly charged. उनका तो monkey की तो टिकट लगते नहीं है, but he has to pay ₹3. At that time, it's a huge amount, right? जब ये story लिखी गई है तब ₹3, it's a valuable amount, right? Toto was shifted into a stable. Then it was thought by my grandfather that he should be shifted into a stable, right? Where he had got a companion family donkey, Nana. As I have already mentioned it, Nana, a female donkey. He tortured tortured Nana, pulling at her halter, keep her head as far as possible from the bundle of hay. Grandfather slapped Nana across her, and he bit her long ears also. So he was also disturbing female donkey Nana also, right? Then, um, now I'm going to switch to that attribute that I have already mentioned in the beginning, coping, if you have remembered, right? It was winter, right? It was winter, the season was winter, and here you can see the photograph of Nana, right, when he was about to burn himself, right, when he was copying my grandfather or me, because he have seen us that we are taking bath with warm water. Here you can see the picture, right? Grandfather was given warm water by grandmother to take bath. He also cunningly checked the temperature. First put one foot, then put another foot, because he had seen me doing this. Because whenever we are going to take a bath with warm water, we just check the temperature we just check the sensation. We got the sensation, it is very warm or it is lukewarm, right? Because we cannot take bath with burning water, right? So he was also copying us, right? Then he rubbed soap on his hands and feet because he had seen us doing the same thing. Everyone liked his performance. So बच्चे जब छोटी छोटी शरारत करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बट अगर वो शरारत एक ब्लंडर बन जाए, राइट, देन इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी अप्रिशिएटेड. बिकॉज बच्चा मैंने इसलिए वर्ड यूज़ किया बिकॉज टोटो वॉज अ चाइल्ड मंकी, छोटा मंकी था, राइट. तो इसलिए जब वो ऐसी शरारतें करता था तो एवरीबडी वॉज डिलाइटेड टू सी हिम, प्लीज्ड होते थे सारे, राइट. बट अगर वही शरारत एक ब्लंडर बन जाए तो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी अप्रिशिएटेड, राइट. One day he was about to burn himself, right? As I have already shown you the picture, you can see here how he was about to burn himself. A large kettle was put on fire to boil water for tea. Do you know how much water we have to boil for tea, right? Toto decided to remove the lid. He tested the water little warm and fitted into take bath. So first he has checked the temperature. He thought that yes, this water is fitted. This water is fitted that the bath can be taken with this warm water. तो ठीक है ये, right? But he did not check the fire is still burning, right? He got in with his head sticking out from open kettle. He hopped in and out for some time, fortunately. And it was a good day for Toto. Fortunately, my granny entered into the kitchen and she had seen Toto, right, in the kettle. Otherwise, he would boil himself in the water, right? Toto always store things, right? One day, what happened? My aunt had come to see. He tore her dress into pieces. One day, at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood at the center of the डाइनिंग टेबल. तो एक दिन हमने पुलाव बनाया था जो कि हमने अपने डाइनिंग टेबल के सेंटर में रखा हुआ था. When he came there, or when we came there, we found Toto was stuffing himself with rice. Grandmother screamed and Toto threw a plate at her. He threw a glass on my aunt. Meanwhile, grandfather came. Toto picked up the dish of pulao and ran away through the window. He threw the dish down from the tree and delighted, and dish broke into pieces. Right? So he was not torturing only the animals of the private zoo. He also started torturing Granny, and whenever any guest came into our house, he tortured them also. So we pissed off with the presence of Toto. हम इतने परेशान हो चुके थे टोटो की शरारतों से. So my grandfather on that day regretted, पश्चाताप हुआ that Toto is not a sort of pet to be kept at home. Toto is not a sort of pet can be kept at home. So it is very difficult to keep a monkey at home. So we decided to sell it again. decision was taken by my grandfather that he should be sold again. In the end, grandfather found the same Tonga driver and sold it back to him only for 3 rupees. So at what price he was bought? He was bought at the price of 5 rupees. And how much price he was sold at? He was sold at the price of 3 rupees. And my grandfather has to bear the loss of 2 rupees. It is not the loss of 2 rupees, right? We were tortured also by Toto, right? So sometimes we take such decisions out of mercy. For that we have to repent. Repent means regret. कई बार हम दया करके किसी पर कुछ ऐसे डिसीजन ले लेते हैं जो कि बाद में जाकर क्या प्रूफ होते हैं, अ वेस्ट. जैसे कि आपने इस स्टोरी में देखा, वी ऑलवेज हैव टू थिंक. सो वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू take a decision, you have to think and you have to analyze. You have to analyze the features of it, right, before taking any decision. Grandfather had to bear the loss since he bought Toto. जब से हमने टोटो को खरीदा था तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं मिला, and we got only losses and losses and losses, right? So this is a very beautiful story, right? And sometimes it is, at some places it is funny also, right? But it is giving you one moral lesson that whenever you are taking decision, analyze your decision, right? And जब भी आप किसी पर कोई दया करते हैं, फिर भी दया करने से पहले भी, दया एक बहुत अच्छा एलिमेंट है ह्यूमन नेचर्स का. मर्सी, काइंडनेस, इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल वाई आई एम सेइंग दैट, बहुत ही सुंदर, राइट? हम जब दूसरों को दया करते हैं, दूसरों पर दया करते हैं, तो इट इज़ एडिंग टू माई ब्यूटी ऑल्सो. तो एक बड़ा ही अच्छा एलिमेंट है ह्यूमन कैरेक्टर का. पर दया भी किस पर करनी चाहिए, ये सोचना चाहिए, राइट? दया करो बट सोच कर करो, कीजिए. अगर ग्रैंडफादर ने उस टोंगा ड्राइवर से मंकी को खरीद कर मंकी को रिलीज कर दिया होता तो वी शुड नॉट बी टॉर्चर्ड बाय. बट माई ग्रैंडफादर थॉट ऑफ कीपिंग इट एज अ पेट. बट इट इज़ नॉट एन इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल if we compare it to a dog. Dog is a very faithful animal and can be trained easily, right? But monkeys cannot be trained easily. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you must have enjoyed the video, right? And it has also been seen by me. Most of the students, whenever they are watching my video, right, they are not watching the video from the beginning to end. They are skipping some of the parts. But if you skip, right, you are skipping the story also, right? So watch the movie or watch this video with patience and note down all the points on your notebook, right? And I hope that you must have liked my video. Press the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel. Why I'm saying you that, always at the end of my video subscribe my channel, because you get the notification. You, whenever I am posting a new video, a notification will come and it pops up before you, so that you can listen to my lecture. And today, bye bye and have a wonderful day. Thank you, students.